Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Recently, on my first video, we have hit 100 views. So that's why I'm making this video. So, I got something to celebrate. Anyway, let's unbox it. This is also going to be a review. It says what's in here. I've already installed some of the details. I'm also sorry about background noises. There's a vacuum running right now. Anyway, so this little slide cover, whatever it's called, like top of the box, just kind of slides off. I'm gonna go ahead and move a locomotive, the GP locomotive, actually the Illinois Central locomotive. I finally found out what kind of locomotive this is. This is a GP30. So I'll go ahead and move the GP30 over there. I'll start with this. And then this comes off. I've also recently added a little bit of things right here. I'm modeling Old Wharf Street, as well as a couple buildings in nearby, at least one building. But I'll get to that next layout update. I have one more thing for the layout for I'll be unboxing. And that is a scale frames locomotive, which will come in, which will be coming at some point. Anyway, so we will go ahead and go ahead and set this over here. Go ahead and go over some of the details. I can get a hold of the locomotive. So, starting the front here, you got headlight right here, number boards, plated over class lights, scale couplers. Coming onto the side, we got the window cab. You can kind of see it there. Also, here's the factory horn that unfortunately broke. I used some super glue to glue it back on there. Not on there. We got the Union Pacific logo. Also power boxes, brake wheel, sand filler. Actually, I'll get to that when we get to the type of the train, the locomotive. Brake line, cylinder, handrails, and I had to install the stanchions and everything. These are, it's like a brass handrails. You got this grill right here. Don't know what's for. Let me know what it's for. Also have this other radiator right here. Sorry, but this table has a bit of a slope to it. It keeps on falling. So, as well as the road number, as well as the road name. As far as I know, the Union Pacific logo looks good. Coming onto the back, right here, looks like does appear that we have a loose stanchion right there. I'll fix that later. We got rear headlights, also class lights. Sorry about the train being wobbly. It's because my tripod still is broken. Yeah, number boards on the back. KD couplers. KD scale couplers. Actually, back onto the side, basically the same detail, except if you look between the U and N, you'll notice there's a slight glass. Forget what those are for. Coming to the top, front area. Forget what those are for. I think it's for the crew to stand on the front. Got sand filler hatches, train horn. I don't know what kind of horn it is, but got air conditioner vent, something like that. Also this other vent, don't know what's for. Dynamic brake fans. This electrical box on the roof, as well as engine fans. Anyway, with the thing complete, with that complete, I'll go ahead and set that on track. You can see right here, it's a dummy locomotive. If I put this on, this is a better track. Might need some lubrication. It's like my Illinois Central locomotive. It's a dummy locomotive. It's also an after and blue box. So now I'll have this resting in the yard, or at least sitting in the yard. You can't see where I super glued it. Anyway, let's take a better look at some of the papers. It has an exploded view diagram. See right here, it says it somewhere. Note: dummy truck, front, and rear. That means these two trucks are dummy trucks. There's no motor. I thought that the original owner tore the motor out and all the drive system. So, thought that this did have a motor and someone took it out, but no. Anyway, I'll put the foam back in the back in a separate box. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Have a nice day. Again, this is for hitting 100 views on my first video.